Hey, if you've been looking for that channel that shows you all the new home construction and available homes in the Tampa Bay area, stick around. We're going to get right to a budget-friendly townhouse, and we're getting after it
right now. So today we are coming to you from the Towns of Windsor. This is a new Lennar townhome community, and today we were going to focus on budget friendly. So for you younger people out there, just like our sons, looking to get into your first home, and maybe you don't want the maintenance of painting, doing landscaping, no CDD in here, HOA $342 a month, but you are going to have a pool, a dog park, and again, a maintenance-free lifestyle. That is also going to include your internet. So cable and internet are all included in that monthly fee.
This one is up for hills, and then we're going to have one a little bit more upscale to show you in Wesley Chapel.
All right,
Follow us.
Come on in. Come on in and check out the Windsor. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan called the Windsor, just over 1,500 square feet. So it is a very nice size. Right up front, we're going to have the coat closet that you are going to get so much use out of here in Florida with your broom and your vacuum cleaner. Nice, open, wide floor plan. Nice room right here for a big sectional. Hang your TV over there. We have a nice spot over here for your dining table. If you wanted to hang a nice little pendant right here, you're going to get a lot of natural light from your rear sliders. And an open kitchen with quartz on your countertops, stainless steel sinks, and Lennar, EI, everything is included. So literally just bring your clothes, your furniture, and your toothbrush. All your appliances, washer and dryer are going to be ready for you to move right in. So the entire first level is going to be all in tile. So no carpet down here. And we are going to have a half bath. So you're going to have your powder room down here for your guests. Again, also in tile. And this unit does come with a 1-car garage. Perfect for getting your vehicle in here, or just you can use it as storage. You're also going to find your hot water heater located out here in the garage area.
So while the first floor is all tile, from the stairs up, you're going to find your carpet. It makes it a little bit more cozy. You're jumping out of bed and not landing on that cold tile. You'll see immediately when we come upstairs, you have your washer dryer set up. Just prior to getting to your master bedroom with a beautiful master bath, quartz countertops, dual sinks, and a very nice shower. Very nice master bedroom, good size for a king, big TV wall. Nice walk-in closet. And then we have the guest bedroom right across the hallway. And while this is the guest bedroom, it might as well be just another smaller master bedroom. You have nice size. You also have a walk-in closet and your own private tub.
And if you wanted to grill and have an outdoor space, this townhome's perfect. Nice and long little balcony, and it actually even tucks back in here. So if you wanted to possibly add some doors here so that you could have storage maybe for some bicycles or something that you didn't have room for in the garage, you could totally do it in this space.
As long as you have HOA approval.
Of course. One of the things that I do love about this townhome is the space in the rear. If you turn around, you are not looking at a neighbor that's only maybe 10 feet from you. There is a nice green space with a little bit, I don't know, I might call this a dry pond because it's got a little bit of water in it, but it's definitely nothing that you're going to go fishing in. So a nice amount of space between these units.
And while we're in Zephyr Hills, you're just about a mile from one of my favorite Italian restaurants, Pizza, which is a staple, been there forever. And
your other favorite one, where you like to eat all-you-can-eat crabs on Thursday night.
Oh, yes.
The Great Cat.
The Great Cat's in Zephyr Hills. It's fantastic. Basically, you're about 5-10 minutes from a bunch of Zephyr Hills restaurants, draperies, eateries, what have you. And then you're about 15 minutes to Wiregrass Mall, so in Wesley Chapel. So you're in a very good
location.
Almost the entrance of Zephyr Hills.
Right, and if you are a golfer, you are 1 mile away from Lake Bernadette. So just to give you proximity, we are on 54, just off of Morris Bridge, a mile away from Lake Bernadette. So everything is going to be right around you.
Excellent location, first-time home buyers, trying to downsize, just trying to get started, very low 200s. But in case that didn't tickle you, let's go see a nicer one in Wesley Chapel.
Let's go.
Hey, if you're digging the information on the channel and you want to see more home tours, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications.
So if maybe Zephyr Hills is not for you, but the heart of Wesley Chapel is, then we have another option by Lennar. We have these gorgeous 3-level townhomes, and they're higher end build. So for right under $400,000, you can get into one of these bad boys. We're going to walk through it in just a minute. You are going to have a pool in here. No crazy amenities, just the pool. There's only 42 units total, so it's not going to be a big community at all. We are maybe 3 or 4 blocks from Wiregrass Mall, right next to Advent Hospital. You know where Persimmon and Estancia is? That is where you are going to find Arbors at Wiregrass.
Very central location, great to get to the interstate if you got to get to I-75 and head back to Tampa or head north towards Ocala.
23 minutes is what it takes.
Right around the corner, we have a high-end restaurant, Cooper's Hawk.
Oh yes, very nice.
Gym's around the corner. We have everything you need right here. Great location. Let's check out this townhouse.
Let's go. So we're going to walk through this unit behind me. Again, stunning 3 levels. Right behind that building is going to be the community pool that's getting built right now. Again, you're going to have gutters. You're going to have a nice little front porch area and some stunning floors in this unit. So come on in and let's check them out. Right here on the ground level, you are going to have 1 bedroom. Bedroom number 1 is going to have a closet. And again, we've got some nice doors on here, not bifolds. And just off of this bedroom, we are going to have a full bath. And this one is set up for a walk-in shower. It's got quartz on the sink. So if you did have an elderly guest that was staying with you and they wanted to be on the down first level with a walk-in shower, this could be perfect. We are going to have the entrance to the garage right here. All the units in here at the Arbors are going to be 2-car garages. They're all going to come with epoxy on the floor. You've got your water heater out here. And something that you don't normally get in a garage, a storage closet. And it's a pretty decent size. Let's go up and check out the main living area.
So come on, check out the second floor. You'll see that the stairs are wood. Transitioning into wood plank tile. Check this out. Super spacious, wood plank tiles, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, shaker cabinets. Look at the size of this island for a townhouse. Huge. For a house, it's huge. Check out the backsplash. Then right over here we have a pantry with wooden shelves, not your wire racks. Crown molding on the cabinets. Again, another Lennar community, everything included. You have your appliances, your blinds, your washer, dryer. Just bring your clothes, bring your keys. Let's go check out floor number 3. And before you check out the 3rd level, there is a half-bath on this primary living area. There's also a really nice balcony. Let's check that out. Check this out. As part of the 2nd level, the side of this balcony, look at the view. This is beautiful. Great location, huge incentives. But let's go check out the 3rd level.
And as we get to level number 3, I'm definitely getting a workout on these stairs. Again, we've got the beautiful wood floors, dark wood, popping really nicely on the white. Now up here on this level, we are going to have Secondary bedroom number 2. Very similar in size to the downstairs bedroom. I love the molding that they've done on the baseboards, nice and chunky, gorgeous 5-inch. Directly across from this bedroom, we are going to have an upstairs laundry room since most of the bedrooms are located up here. Bedroom number 3 is going to be located right next to bedroom number 2. This one has a little bit deeper, or let's say wider closets. And we've got the sliders on these. Another full bathroom that has quartz on the countertops. And we are going to have a shower tub combo with subway tile on the walls. This is going to be the entrance to your primary, which again is a very nicely sized primary. Same baseboards throughout. And again, this is more of Lennar's luxury build, so just higher end on the finishes. You are going to have your own personal ensuite. This one is going to have dual vanity sinks. You are going to have a walk-in shower with your water closet directly behind that door. And just off of your personal ensuite, you are going to have a nicely sized walk-in closet. It's not the biggest closets, but townhomes aren't known to have humongous closets, but you do have racks on 3 sides. So again, this is a primary. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-level townhome, and there is a lot of room in this spacious unit. So there you have it, this gorgeous, gorgeous unit. Again, townhome, 4 bedrooms by Lennar here in Arbors at Wiregrass.
So whether you're looking for budget friendly at the entrance of Zephyr Hills, you're looking a little bit more luxury in the Wesley Chapel area, right around the corner from everything.
Wiregrass Mall, I mean, a stone's throw, you are in the thick of things right here.
There's supposed to be a Wesley Chapel downtown coming sometime soon. There's been a talk for quite a while, so hopefully we see that soon, but it's practically walking distance from here.
It is, and if it's not walking, it's definitely bicycle.
For sure. So this unit, we do have a CDD.
Yes, very low CDD, $1,400 for the year.
Well, if it has a CDD, I'm thinking it may have an HOA.
It does have an HOA in the mid-300s, and with that, you were getting everything as far as your landscaping, maintenance, exterior painting, roof, all the things that you don't want to take care of, that is going to be covered. And then again, we do have a pool.
And then, awesome, wait for this one. Talk to me about insurance.
Insurance on this unit, HO6 policy.
An HO6 policy, which is basically walls in. The exterior, everything's covered. You're going to insure your contents, if you will.
So basically like a renter's unit if you had rented an apartment or something. So that's going to be really low on the budget as well.
So whether you're looking to move in 9 days, 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love to set up a Zoom, a call with you. We'd love to just remember right now the incentives are absolutely crazy. They're paying your total closing costs. They're buying down rates. Also remember that those agents inside those model centers work for the builder.
We would love to represent you and look out for your best interests.
And not only that, when we represent you, the builder is covering our costs out of the marketing budget. So it's not going to cost you anything else.
Nope, not a dime out of your pocket. It's going to be covered out of their budget.
So make sure you like, subscribe, tap that bell for notifications, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, let's set something up and help you make that
smooth move to Wesley Chapel or the Zephyr Hills area.